Hello everybody. I'm not even gonna lie, I slept in my updo last night. I took it down this morning. There's still some curls in there. It's my day off. We're just gonna have to work with it. This is it. This is what we're doing, okay? I feel like I just wanna wear it up again. So maybe let's do some little afro puffs with a twist in the front. That's how I'm feeling today. It's still a new style. It's still a new day. Just gonna do it however I want to do it. It's my day off. You know, I'm just going to the store and cleaning my house. Even if it's not your day off, you can hit your work with afro puffs, because you know what? They're fun. And they make people smile. And they make people feel like, that girl really likes Star Wars. And you know what? I do, okay? I don't have to be 5 and be not wearing afro puffs. I can be 40 and be like, fuck it. Yes, I like Star Wars. What's your excuse? Because your hair's already curly and puff-tastic, I say do it. When I wear my hair up, I always like to do that little twist bang or have the bang up somehow, because it just makes me feel fancier, I guess. So then with my twist puffs, all I do is pin my puff. A couple of pins in there. You can backcomb them too, because you know I love backcomb some puffs up. Talk about a messy bun. So it's still cute. It's still an updo. It's constructed. It's thrown up. That hair is a mess. And just pin it up. They kind of touch. They're so big. It's great. Oh, I like that. Little freeze and shine. This is my little twist. You know, I like to pull it up. So that's a great little style for your day off, right? It's super cute, it's super fun, it's super fast, it looks awesome. You could do like 3 buns even, and just have one in the middle, and it would just be this big bun-tacular all up in your head. Great! I love it. I hope you love it. That was super quick, super fast. You're out the door. You're ready. Walmart, here I come. to get all my stuff from you today. And then to Albertsons and maybe Smiths and Barnes to get my deals going. So that I can clean my house and feed my family. I hope that's what you're doing today too. But if not, and you're at work and you show up like this, girl, better watch out. Everyone's gonna be like, dun, 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 and you'd be like, yeah, that's right. I am a princess. Alright? If you like this video, press like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I am so glad to be getting through these weeks of the new year. And I feel good. I hope you feel good when I'm out there. I'm all digging myself, feeling good, looking good, and everyone's telling me. I hope they're telling you. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.